The most courageous thing you can do in your life is to let go the people, things, memories for your own sake, to protect yourself and to heal. Sometimes you have to accept that things will never go back how they used to be. Just accept it even if you're not getting the correct answers or explanations. Just accept the things as they are. Don't give illusions to your mind that things could be different. It's totally wrong and never gonna happen. You know that in your heart. I know that this is the hardest thing to do. It might tear you apart, but that's the truth. You have to accept it and do it. I know it's gonna take too much energy, too much emotions, too much power, too much time, but be willing to give too much and save yourself. Sometimes you gotta be alone to understand things and to analyze it and to decide what you actually need in your life. Letting things go is not an easy job because sometimes you have to lose yourself, tear yourself, rip your heart apart to rebuild yourself. First step of letting go is acceptance. You have to accept that now things can't be changed or undone. It's gonna eat you up and hit you so hard, but yes, you can tear your parts to complete the person and they can turn their back on you and go on. So it's okay if you can't figure out what's wrong. It's not you. Trust me, it's not you. I swear on this. Feel the pain, cry, break apart, lock yourself, cry again, listen to songs, turn off the light, or do anything. But nothing is gonna change. It's your turn now. To heal the wound, you have to stop touching it. Don't dig into things and just accept the things as they are and let it go. Only letting it go is gonna help you. Day one or one day, you have to decide for yourself. No one can help until it's you. It costs you your mindset, your old habits, and your old you. By rethinking and overthinking, we make our own heartbreaks. Stop doing it, it won't help you. New you costs the old you, but trust me, it makes you so much stronger. Forgive yourself for wrong decisions, wrong choice. Now it's the time to throw away that heaviness that's still in your heart. Now you need you. Love yourself enough to let things go. Have faith in God as He saw things before you and remove certain things and people from your life to make it much more better. Accept, embrace good and bad times. Feel the pain and leave. No explanation, nothing. Just release the burden, let it go, and move forward with the new you. Now, no one can stop you until it's you. Just let it go and let go on the new journey of life with lessons learned. I think we all knew that life should go on. Letting all the things to go with 2020 and be free. Be happy.